वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरमसन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयुन्
अयुन्
ऋलुक्
बलक्
एओङ्
एओ
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
अयवरट्
अयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनम्
ञमङणनम्
जबै
झञ्झै
घटधश्
घढधश्
जबगडदश्
जबगढधश्
खपछठथ छटतौ
खपछठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसल्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचयशानां तालु
यशानां तालु
दुरशानां मूर्धा
दुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
तुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
भूपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
ञमङणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोगो कण्ठोष्ठम्
उदौतोः कण्ठोष्ठम्
पकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्तोष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे।
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं
रमेशं भजे।
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेण विहता
निशाचरचमूः
निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः।
तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
साहित्यैकपदे
एकपदे
नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याधातुपसर्गयोः
नित्याः समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
नित्या
या
समासे
समासे
वाक्ये
वाक्ये
सा
तु
विवक्षामपेक्षते।
विवक्षामपेक्षते।
It is Jyoti Rupa only. Okay, the last class the question what we asked. Jyotis, it is Unadi Pratyaya, Jyut Dhatu with Isun Pratyaya. So you get you, then plus Isun, then Japtum happens. Finally you get Jyotis. Jyotis is Sakaranta Shabda, Sakarantaha Napumsapilingaha Jyotis. We have word like Jyoti Rasa and Jyoti, Ratha, Jyoti Ratha. So all Dirgha. Suppose Rupa also Jyoti Rupa only, not Jyoti Rupa. Rori will apply. Rori Dralope Purvasya Dirgo Anaha. Okay.
Thank you so much.
And also, I showed yesterday with Vedanta Sara commentary also, it was Jyoti Rupa only. Right?
Yes.
That is the point.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Now, just quickly. Sparsha Varna. Ke Sparsha Varnaha. Kati Sparsha Varnaha Santi.
पञ्चविंशतिः
Vargiya Vyanjanani Sparsha Varnaha. Eteshu कस्य समूहस्य अल्पप्राणसंज्ञा भवति। अल्पप्राणसंज्ञा
कदप
कदप। एतेषु कस्य अल्पप्राणसंज्ञा नास्ति।
ख थ फ।
एतेषु कः तालव्यवर्णः। कस्य वर्णस्य उच्चारणस्थानं तालु।
श।
इत्येषाणां तालु। दन्त्यवर्णः कः।
स।
ऋतुलसानां दन्त्याः मूर्धन्य
षकार।
मूर्धन्यषकारः। एतेषु कः ह्रस्ववर्णः न। रस्वनै सारी। एतेषु कस्य ह्रस्ववर्णः नास्ति। आल् दीर्घ कस्य ह्रस्ववर्णः नास्ति। आकारस्य अकारः अस्ति, ईकारस्य ईकारः अस्ति, ऊकारस्य उकारः
ओ
अस्ति,
ए
एकारस्य नास्ति,
ह्रस्व नास्ति
ह्रस्ववर्णः नास्ति, ह्रस्वरूपः नास्ति, ऐकारस्य ह्रस्ववर्णः
नास्ति
ऐकारस्यापि ह्रस्ववर्णः नास्ति। यदि एचः स्थाने ह्रस्व आदेशः भवति चेत् तर्हि इक् आदेशः भवति, तत्तु इक्, किन्तु इ तु न ह्रस्ववर्णः। यदि ह्रस्वस्य यदि एकारस्य एचः स्थाने ह्रस्व आदेशः भवति चेत् सूत्रेषु तर्हि इक् वर्णः इत्युक्ते इकारः एकारस्य तथा इकारस्य स्थाने इकारः आदेशरूपेण भवति, तद्वत् ओकारस्य तथा औकारस्य स्थाने उकारः आदेशरूपेण भवति यदि ह्रस्वादेशः भवति चेत् सूत्रेषु। किन्तु अत्र प्रश्नः यत् एकारस्य ह्रस्ववर्णः कः? नास्ति। ऐकारस्य ह्रस्ववर्णः नास्ति किल? नास्ति एव। ए ओ ऐ औ एते के? एते वर्णाः के वर्णाः? कीदृशाः वर्णाः? केन्द्रीयस्वरः, मूलस्वरः, अर्धस्वरः वा संयुक्तस्वरः? कंजंक्ट vowels, संयुक्तस्वरः। संयुक्तस्वराणाम् उच्चारणस्थानम् एकस्मात् स्थानात् उच्चारणम् आरभ्य अन्यस्थाने तस्य तस्य समाप्तं भवति। अपृक्तः कः एतेषु? चतुर्षु कः अपृक्तवर्णः? कः अपृतः? कः अपृतः? What, sir? What about?
The aprikta is only when one vowel.
consonant.
One vowel, one lettered pratyaya. Ekal pratyaya apruktah. Simple. Right? Aprukta is a name. Apruktah iti sanya, pratyayasya sanya. कीदृशस्य प्रत्ययस्य एकाल प्रत्ययस्य अपृक्त संज्ञा भवति।
ओके।
एकाल प्रत्ययः अपृक्तः भवति।
एकल मीनिंग
एक अल, one letter, only one letter, not vowel, one letter, could be vowel or could be consonant.
Okay. एकल।
यथासु इति प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रत्यये उ इति तस्य इत्संज्ञा भवति, तस्य लोपं कृत्वा सकारः एव अवशिष्यते किल? सकारः इति एकः अल् एकाल प्रत्ययः, सः एकाल प्रत्ययः। कति वृद्धिसंज्ञकवर्णाः सन्ति?
त्रीणि।
त्रयः वर्णाः। गुणसंज्ञकवर्णाः
त्रयः।
तदपि त्रयः एव। पाणिनीय अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठस्य प्रथमसूत्रं किम्?
वृद्धिरादेश।
अन्तिमसूत्रं ऋकारस्य स्थाने यदि अन् आदेश भवति, रपरः रेपः परः भवति किल? अन् वर्णात् परः भवति। केन सूत्रेण? उरण् रपरः। उरन्रपरः अस्मिन् सूत्रे कति पदानि सन्ति? त्रीणि पदानि. उः अन् रपरः. अंडर्स्टैंड वाचस्पति?
Yes.
उः इति युक्ते ऋकारस्य षष्ठीविभक्ति एकवचनं ऋकारः. ऋकारस्य स्थाने यदि अन् आदेशः भवति तर्हि अनः सः रेपः अपि भवति रपरः. सन्धिः सन्धि इति पदस्य लिङ्गं किम्?
पुल्लिंग.
सन्धि शब्दस्य पुल्लिङ्गः, स्त्रीलिङ्गः, नपुंसकलिङ्गः, उभयलिङ्गः वा? पुल्लिङ्गः एव. 106 is पुल्लिङ्ग. अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठस्य प्रथमाध्यायस्य विषयः कः? संज्ञा तथा परिभाषा. द्वितीयाध्यायस्य विषयः कः? सेकेंड चैप्टर समास तथा कारकम्. द्वितीय अध्यायस्य विषयः समासः तथा कारकानि. तृतीय अध्यायस्य विषयः कः?
तिङ् प्रकरणम्.
तृतीय अध्यायस्य प्रकरणम् कृत् प्रत्ययः तथा कृत्य प्रत्यय. तिङ् अन्त प्रकरणम् इत्युक्ते प्रकरणं तु सर्वत्र भवति. तिङ् प्रत्ययः भवन्ति, न तु तिङन्त प्रकरणम्. Okay. तिङन्त प्रकरणं means the method to derive तिङन्त. Lot of rules are applied. They are scattered all over. So among the four you have to select the right one. So pratyaya only. Pratyaya is a topic of the third chapter. Thing is a pratyaya. If it's thing is pratyaya, then that can be the answer. But tinganta prakaranam not the answer. चतुर्थ तथा पंचम अध्यायस्य विषयः. चतुर्थ तथा पंचम. चतुर्थ अध्याये कारक प्रकरणं न. कारकं तु द्वितीय अध्याये वर्तते. सन्धि प्रकरणं तत्तु षष्ठ अध्याये. संज्ञा प्रकरणं तत्तु प्रथम अध्याये. अतः स्त्री प्रत्ययः एवं तदित प्रकरणमेव चतुर्थ तथा पंचम अध्याये वर्तन्ते. राइट? So it's a good introduction. Ashtadhyayi first chapter deals with sanya and paribhasha. Second chapter samasa and karaka. Third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter pratyaya. All pratyas. Third chapter deals with pratyas are to dhatus. That could be ting pratyaya or krit pratyaya or kritya pratyaya. Fourth chapter deals with pratyaya added to pratipadika. Supratyaya, tadita pratyaya, samasanta pratyaya, etc. Okay.
Karaka.
Second chapter. Second.
इत्यर्थः कारक.
Karakani. What?
Karaka meaning? What is
Karaka? Oh, you don't know what karaka is?
Kaha karakah.
Karakam. Kim karakam?
Karakam. Kim karakam?
Karakam ityukte kriyanvayi karakam. Kriyanvayi, kriya sambandhini karakani bhavanti. Okay, we'll talk about that. It's not easy. One question you are asking, I have to elaborate. What is karakam? Okay. It is not a difficult thing. We will see that karaka. Okay, you'll see separately. Karaka is a topic by itself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I tell you only one simple thing. So, no, I think karta karma,
Yes.
karta karma, karana, sampradana, apadana, adhikarana, right? No, I mean, have you heard?
Karta, karma, like meaning,
Yeah, subject, object, and the means of doing in the
yes.
action that is called karana.
Karta, pratama vibhakti. Karma,
Uh,
द्वितीय vibhakti, like that.
karta and pratama vibhakti, one in kartari prayer. Karmani prayer,
Correct,
it is not pratama, right?
correct.
Anyway, we'll talk about karaka later. Karaka is important. Karaka and vibhakti, sambandha.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Kriyam karoti iti karakam. Simple definition. The factors which are involved in accomplishing an action are called karakas. For example, okay, I would say, if you can say, Rama goes, right? Goes.
Hmm.
Kaka gacchati, Rama gacchati,
Rama.
right?
Hmm.
So Rama is the Kriya Padam. You have to ask question to the Kriya Padam. Gacchati, Kaha, Ramaha. So Rama is the Karta. Ramaha Vanam gacchati. Vanam is a place of destination, place of reach. Ditya Vibhakti. Ramaha Vanam gacchati. Ramaha Vanam Ratena gacchati. It goes by Ratha. Ratha is Karanakaraka, therefore Tritiya Vibhakti. So gacchati is very important. All the other things are connected to the Kriya only. Kaka gacchati, Putra gacchati, Kena gacchati, right? For what purpose he goes? Purpose. Kimartam gacchati, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Pitra Agnya Paripalanaya. For protecting the order, the command of his father, he goes. That is the reason, right?
Yes.
From where does he go? Ayodhya Nagarat Panchami Vibhakti. That is another karaka.
Yes.
All these are karaka connected to the Kriya. The Kriya is there, and these are the karaka. Rama is one, Vana is another karaka, Ratha is another karaka, Pitaragnya Paripalana another karaka, Ayodhya Nagara another karaka, and you assign vibhakti to this karaka. Karta in Tattari Priyaha, Karta is Pratama, Karma is Dvitiya Vibhakti, you are assigning vibhakti then. Finding out the karakas are independent. Then depending on the prayoga, you are assigning vibhaktis, right?
Correct.
Of course, karta and karma only changes. Other karaka vibhakti will not change. Karana always will be tritiya vibhakti. Sampradana always will be chaturthi vibhakti. The place from where the movement happens always will be in panchami vibhakti. But karta and karma, their vibhakti changes depending on the prayoga. Kartari prayoga, karmani prayoga. We'll talk about that later. Fine. Now,
This
coming
is
back
also in the Ashtadhyayi?
of course, sir. It's not a part of Sanskritam. Karakam, yes. There, the very well is there. The definitions, all those things are there. All are defined.
Nice.
Karakas are defined in not in the second chapter. In the first chapter, fourth section, Karakas are defined. The second chapter, third section, corresponding vibhaktis for the Karaka. Okay. Because it is in the first chapter, fourth section, loosely said. Okay. It's not second chapter. Anyway. The Karaka in 1-4. First chapter, fourth section. Fine, no problem. Okay, we'll talk about that later. Now let us complete the Sandhi. Pararupa Sandhi. Pararupa Sandhi. What is Pararupa Sandhi? Pararupa Sandhi, Sandhi Sutram Kim? Vadatu. Yengi Pararupam. Right?
Yes.
Yeng Varne Pare. Kim Bhavati. Avarnantad Upasargat. एकारादौ धातौ परे एकारः, ओकारादौ धातौ परे ओकारः भवति। इत्युक्ते एग्जाम्पल एंगी पररूपम 27 एंगी एंगी परे कस्मात् एंगी अवर्णात् अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् एंगी धातु एंगादौ धातु परे अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् उत्तरस्य एंगादौ धातु परे पररूपादेश भवति। एंगी पररूपम 694 राइट। अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् एकारादौ धातु परे राइट। अत्र दोषः अस्ति। कः दोषः? Yeah, there is a mistake. What is the mistake?
The mistake is A, 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 A and O should be followed, not coming before. Only A and At coming before, right? At upasarga.
Here also must be it's a mistake. अवर्णात् अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् एकारादौ धातौ परे एकारः, अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् ओकारादौ धातौ परे ओकारः. Some mistake. I don't know why the table is like this. What is the meaning of this table? The table is wrong. Pra plus ejate prejate. That's fine. Then similarly, A plus O. So it must be A plus O. Why then here O? I don't understand what the table itself is has got some meaning. A plus O is O. Everywhere how the table is given. पदान्तात् एकारात् कारे परे एकारः आदेशः. Okay. So it should be like this then. Here it should be A only. It's a mistake. And here also there's a mistake. Here should be, here that should be one more column. It's a mistake. Here that should be A, AO. Then it will be correct. That should be A. अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् एकारादौ धातौ परे एकारः आदेशः भवति. अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् ओकारादौ धातौ परे ओकारः आदेशः भवति. Right? Should be there. This has no meaning. Huh? Okay. एंगी पररूपम् इति सूत्रेण पररूपादेशः भवति. कस्य अपवादः एतत् सूत्रम्? प्रा प्लस एजते प्रेजते. कस्य अपवादः?
Kस्य अपवादः?
वृद्धिसन्देहे अपवादरूपेण वर्तते. आ प्लस ए न तु ऐ, ए एव. यत् पररूपं तस्य पूर्व आदेशः पूर्वप्रयोगस्थाने भवति. अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गः तदपि. आकारान्तः इति आकारान्तात् उपसर्गः नास्ति. अवर्णान्त ह्रस्व अवर्ण एव अस्ति, उपसर्गः अस्ति. ह्रस्व अवर्णान्त उपसर्गः एव अस्ति. अतः अवर्णान्तात् उपसर्गात् एकारादौ तथा ओकारादौ धातोः परे पूर्ववर्णः पररूपः पररूपः आदेशरूपेण वर्तते. अतः प्रा प्लस एजते प्रेजते. तद्वदेव उप प्लस ओषति उपोषति. अस्यापि अपवादः अस्ति. एङ्गी पररूपस्य अपवादः वदतु. एङ्गी पररूपं पररूपसूत्रस्य अपवादसूत्रं किम्? You have to think and answer. Okay. एंगी पररूपसूत्रस्य अपवाद सूत्र. What sutra? All these things we discussed. See the chapter, 6th chapter, first section. एंगी पररूपम अस्य सूत्रस्य अपवाद सूत्रम किम? एंगी पररूपम 6194. That is apavada to vriddhi. And there is another apavada to engi pararup. Apavada to engi pararupam will fall back to vriddhi sandhi. Okay. Engi pararupam is apavada to vriddhi. Apavada to engi pararupam is back to vriddhi sandhi. Huh? What's the
that tutsu.
Very good. Eti that yutsu 6189. Tadeva apavada sutram. Yata atra pashyatu. एकारादौ इंदात्वौ एद धातौ च परे पररूपं न भवति यथा उप प्लस एति एति इत्युक्ते किम इंदातोः लट् लकार प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन रूपम एति इंदातोः रूपम एकारः अस्ति प्रथम वर्णः एकारः इंदातोः रूपम यदि एकारे वर्तते प्रथम वर्णे एकार वर्तते तर्हि अवर्णान्ताद् उपसर्गात् किं भवति उप प्लस एति तर्हि तत्र एङ्गि पररूपं न भवति किन्तु वृद्धिः एव भवति उपैति तद्वतेव प्र प्लस एदते तत्रापि एङ्गि पररूपसूत्रेण पररूपादेशः भवितव्यं किन्तु एतेदत् उत्सु इति अपवादसूत्रम् अस्ति तेन वृद्धिः एव भवति अपवादस्य अपवादः उत्सर्गः वृद्धिः भवति अंडरस्टैंड वृद्धिसन्धेः अपवादः एङ्गि पररूपस्य अपवादः वृद्धिः एतेदत् उत्सु राइट इंपॉर्टेंट उपैति कुत्र अस्ति उपैति श्रद्धा श्रद्धा भक्ति ज्ञान योगादवेति अवैति अवैति अपि अव प्लस एति अवैति अव प्लस एति अवैति श्रद्धा भक्ति ज्ञान योगादवेति कुत्र अस्ति कैवल्य उपनिषत् राइट that is different क्षम्यतां that is different that is श्रद्धा भक्ति ज्ञान योगादवेति is ang anta ye that is different yeah okay fine that is different this is vruddhi then विशेषः पूर्वोक्त निमित्त अभावे अपि वक्ष्यमानेषु पररूपं वर्तते इति ज्ञेयम् शक प्लसन्धुः कथं शकान्धुः न भवति किमर्थं शकान्धुः न भवति शकन्धुः एव वदतु कर्क प्लसन्धुः न तु कर्कन्धुः एव केन सूत्रेण वाचस्पति सूत्रपाठं पश्यतु कुत्र अस्ति अत्र एव अस्ति शकन्द्वादिषु पररूपं वाच्यं शकन्दो इति एकः गणः वर्तते शकन्दुः कर्कन्दुः इति पतञ्जलि स्मर्यते किं पतत् प्लस अंजलि तत्र टी अस्ति किल पतत् प्लस अंजलि अत्र पतत् प्लस अ प्लस अत् प्लस अ इज इक्वल टू पररूपमेव टी वर्णः प्लस पररूपवर्णः एव आदेशः भवति पतत् इति अत्र पतत् शब्दस्य टी वर्णः टी इत्युक्ते किम् अचोन्त्यादि टी अत् पर पदस्य प्रथमवर्णः अकारः अत् प्लस अ इज इक्वल टू पूर्वपदयोः स्थाने अकारः एव आदेशरूपेण वर्तते ततः पतञ्जलिः किल शकन्दुः कर्कन्दुः पतञ्जलिः इत्यादि सर्वे शब्दाः शकन्द्वादिगणे वर्तते एतदपि पररूपम् तद्वत् अवर्णान्तात् ओतु शब्दे ओष्ठ शब्दे च परे विकल्पेन समासे पररूपं भवति। कथं भवति केन सूत्रेण? ओत्तोष्टयोः यथा कंठोष्टं दन्तोष्टं सकारस्य दन्तोष्टं दन्तौष्टम् अथवा दन्तोष्टम् ओत्तोष्टयोः समासे विकल्पेन भवति 31। तत्रापि वार्तिकमपि अस्ति ओत्तोष्टयोः समासे वा इति वार्तिकं। रैट्?
Yes.
ओके। देन् बिम्ब प्लस ओष्टः बिम्बोष्टः अथवा बिम्बौष्टः। अत्र पश्यतु 7.2 अवर्णान्तात् अवर्णान्त अकारान्तात् अथवा आकारान्तात् वा शब्दात् ओम तथा आंग। ओम परे किं भवति? ओकारः। आंग परे आंग इति उपसर्गः एव भवति। आंग आंग इति परे किं भवति? 7.2 ओम तथा आंग। ओमांगोश्च।
Yes.
स्मर्यते किम्? ओमांगोश्च ओम तथा आंग। अत्र एव आंग यथा यथा इन् धातु उप प्लस श्रद्धा भक्ति ज्ञान योगात् अवे इति अव प्लस तत्र अवे इति कैवल्य उपनिषदे वर्तते। उपनिषदि वर्तते। अत्र पश्यतु शिवाय प्लस ओम आ प्लस ओ पूर्वप्रयोग स्थाने पररूपः आदेशः होकारस्य आदेशः भवति। तद्वदेव आंग अपि का प्लस अत्र पश्यतु शिव प्लस आ प्लस इहि। इहि इत्युक्ते किम्? इहि लोट्लकार इन् धातोः लोट्लकार मध्यमपुरुषे एकवचनम् इहि गच्छ इत्यर्थः। गच्छ आ इहि आ प्लस इहि आगच्छ एहि एहि। मुण्डकोपनिषदि वर्तते एहि एहि तमाहुतयः सुवर्चतः सूर्यस्य रश्मिभिर् right in Mundaka comes when you go to Surgaloka, devas welcome you. Ehi, please come because you are they will be nicely taken care because you have gone with punya. Once punya is done, then they will chase you out. Get away, go away. So they nicely welcome when you go there, but because you got punyam. Ehi iti a plus, right? So एहि इति आंग वर्तते। अत्र आ प्लस ई इज व्हाट संधि? गुण संधि एहि। सो शिव प्लस एहि नाउ संधि इज गुण शिव प्लस एहि पररूप संधि। ओमांगोश्च by that pararupa, right? शिवेहि तद्वतेव सदा प्लस एहि सदेहि। Understand?
Yes.
अद्य प्लस ओडा अद्योडा पररूपम ओमांगोश्च। Don't make it avaihi. I think in the Kaivalya Upanishad, this avaihi is given. If avaihi is a chandasam, we can take. Okay. I just say Kaivalya Upanishad, whether you studied or no, I don't know. But this, I'm assuming that I'm saying, the Kaivalya Upanishad, the Vakyam is a Shraddha Bhakti, Jnana Yogad, avaihi is as per the Sutra. If avaihi is there, then we have to take it as chandasam. Veda. Okay. This also we have seen, remember, when followed by Om or when followed by, sorry. अवर्णान्तात् शब्दात् ओम इति परे ओकारः आंग परे आंग इति उपसर्ग।
Yes.
Ang follows what will be the adesha? A plus a. Pararupah eva adeshah bhavati. That ang upasarga directly can be there, or ang upasarga with some letter could be possible. A plus e. Suppose ye is when ye follows avarnanta, and ye has said to have angtvam. It has got the ang upasarga. Similarly, A plus U is O. O is said to have on when follows. When such ekara, okara follows, A plus A vriddhi will not happen. Pararupam will happen. Understand? This is ekara and okara. It's not simple ekara, okara. Please note. It is not simple ekara, okara. It is A plus E. And here the A is of the ang upasarga. Already all this we have seen. In the example, if you see, the example, if you see Shiva plus Ahi, Shiva plus A plus E. A plus E is Gunasan. So now we have Ahi. Shiva plus Ahi. Now A is said to have this A. Ang is there. So that A plus A and A is said to have that Ang follows. Then what happens? Then Pararupa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Not suppose Shiva plus Eti. Then what happens? Eti.
Yeti
Vriddhi.
meaning
Vriddhi will
Vriddhi.
happen.
Yes. Because
Shiva
Eti,
plus Eti. If
Eti
any
is,
other word is there, Pararupam will happen by Yengi Pararupa.
yes.
This should be very clear.
When we said Eti from the in dhatu, this
Exactly.
Eti is not any upasarga.
Yes.
Is some guna process of the dhatu, but not the
Yes.
upasarga.
Yeah, the Upasarga. Then Vriddhi will happen. Eti,
Yes.
Edati. If any other dhatu form is there, beginning with A or O, then Pararupam. Then, if Ang is there, then also Pararupam. Eta Shiva plus Ehi, Shivehi. Okay. So here also, we should, even though the dhatu is in dhatu, whose form is Ehi, but it is with the Upasarga on. Because in dhatoho, lot lakara rupam madhyama purusha is Ihi. But A is there. So therefore, what will happen? We cannot go by Yengi Pararupam. Therefore, this sutra is there. Omangoscha says, by this sutra, A plus E, A upasarga plus E is a dot, first letter of the dot, the kriya pada Ihi. They together become A, and that A will be the Adesha in the place of Purva and Para. Omangoscha. Right? Understand?
Yes.
Is it clear, Vajaspati?
I'm not understanding very well this on that's coming.
Okay. See. Already we have seen this. I'll explain again. Please, you have the Sandhi chart, right? Remember one's chart? Chart means a table,
Yes.
list of Sandhis.
Yes.
That is very useful document. Please refer that.
Mhm.
See. Indatoho rupam. Indatu, in your decline becomes eti, eti in Natlakara. Similarly, we have yeshi, Madhyama Purusha, Ekavachanam. All these forms are possible. Okay. Any lakara of Indat, right? Form of
Yes.
Indatu beginning with A letter. Then what will happen?
But
By the
only
sutra.
Kavachanam, right?
Yeah, Ekavach. Or any other lakara also you just see, whatever form, right? Now, eti. Ava plus 8. I'm just making just Ava plus 8. Some Avarnanta Upasarga followed by 8. Now, what Sandhi will apply? Because this is one thing. Yengi Pararupam says Avarnanta Upasarga ending with Akara, followed by Yang letter, then Pararupa. This sutra says Avarnanta followed by Indatoho Yang Rupam, beginning with Yang, Indatu or Yed Dhatu, whatever it is. right? This A is nothing but in dhatoho form. Dhatu of in, dhatu beginning with the letter A. Follows what will happen? Vriddhi will happen. This is Vriddhi here. Then here it says Akara followed by Yang letter Pararup. This is Yengi Pararup.
Yes.
Now, Ava plus Eti, tell me what will happen.
Vriddhi.
Ava plus Eti in dhatoho rupam is, therefore you will be Eti. Avaiti.
Right.
So, because it, right? Now,
Okay.
another one. Ava plus Yejate. Examples you remember. You get it.
Avejati.
Here Pararup.
This because not
This
any.
is not in dhatu or Yej dhatu. So, Avejate.
Hmm.
Right? Now,
Okay.
the next sutra says, Om will leave it. That which has, now, Ihi is the form of Indhatu, and A Upasarga, it will become Yehi. Like Gachati, A Gachati. Now, Ava plus Yehi. Now, what will happen? Can you
Wait.
say this is a form of Indhatu? No, you cannot say, because A Upasarga is.
Oh, okay.
Because of A Upasarga, it has become Yehi. Therefore, you cannot apply Vriddhi.
One question here.
Can we do Yengi Pararupam? Yengi Pararupam also says the Dhatu form beginning with A. But here, it's a Dhatu form. Here, Ang is there. Ang Upasarga is there, which is attached to the Dhatu. Therefore, it has become here also. Therefore, the next sutra says Avehi. This is by the sutra Omangoscha. These are the differences. Even though here also Pararupam only, but it is mentioned separately. Going to be mentioned separately. Okay.
So this nga in ang mangosta
Omangoscha.
is from the a.
Huh?
Understand? No, it is. I forgot the name. Okay.
But this
Understand.
Hmm.
one question. This ang also Ava is there in ang.
Abba? No. Why Abba?
Because here Ava. Right?
Ava is Upasarga. Upasarga meaning in Takara. It could be anything. Ava or Pra, whatever it is. That doesn't matter, right? Here only
Okay.
you have to watch.
So
No,
this
no.
nga the ang is
Hmm.
the it letter.
Inkara is ith letter. Yes, of course it's ith letter. Upasarga.
Understand.
Content is A only.
Okay.
Okay. I was
No,
thinking only the A Upasarga, but also other Ava and
No. It could be anything,
Upa.
right? It can be anything. Avarnanta Upasargat, right?
Okay.
What prevents that? Nothing, right? It can be anything. Understand?
Yes, thank you.
So in fact, Yengi Pararupam, Om Angoscha, both does the same job only. See the Sutra Pata, Pararupam coming as Anuvritti, right?
Yes.
94 is Yengi Pararupam. 95 is Om Angoscha. Both have got what? Pararupam eva,
Pararu.
right?
Correct.
So, Ang iti Upasarga is there as part of the Dhatu. That is very important. That is what Om Angoscha. Whereas Yengi Pararupam, there is no Upasarga. The form of the dhatu beginning with Yang letter, then Pararupam. Even with Ang is there, it will happen. That is why the sutra is separately given. Right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
And the dhatu and the upasarga. Samhita nitya dhatu upasarga yoho nitya dhatu upasarga yoho. Right? Samikitaika nitya, nitya dhatu upasarga yoga. Therefore, ang and the upasarga, ang and the dhatu first must combine. Like a plus ihi, ehi. Then one more upasarga you are adding, ava. So ava is followed by ang. So ava plus ang is a plus a. Savana dirgha sati doesn't happen. By this sutra, what happens? Pararupam happens. A will be the replacement. That is the catch. Understand? Why this sutra is required? If you think, see, this ava plus yegi is nothing but what? Ava is another upasarga. Ava plus ang plus ihi, right? Why don't you do ava plus ang, a plus ava, ava plus you cannot do like that. That's what he says. The form of a dhatu which has got ang upasarga. So when ang upasarga is there, a plus is antaranga karya. First you have to join that.
Can
Now
you
this,
say? Can we say that when you have more than one upasarga before the dhatu, you join from right to left? First with the first upasarga with the dhatu, then the other in the left.
Yeah, you can say
Or
yes. Yes, yes. And here it is specifically given because angtum is, if this yang is there, angtum asti chet, then pararupam bhavati. That's important. If angtum is there, then you will have pararupa. Similarly, the other example also. If you see the other example. Ava plus a plus uda. A plus u is o. So, it, okay. Here, sorry, it is need not be upasarga. Okay, it is need not be upasarga, it could be anything. Right? It need not be upasarga. Shiva plus a plus he. Is it upasarga? No. It could be upasarga, it could be anything. All the example you see, they're not just upasarga, right? You have Shiva, you have Adya. They're not upasarga. Right? So they're different.
Yes.
So therefore, if ang letter is there, and ang letter follows avarna. The avarna letter, avarnanta letter could be upasarga, or could be any word also. Could be shabda also, like Adya, Shiva, etc. Possible. Right? All these are possible. So it could be a word beginning with that is important. So here the upasarga condition is not there, unlike the previous one. Please note. Here, yengi pararupam as a condition of upasarga. Upasarga goes as anuvritti up to 94. The yengi pararupam as a condition of upasarga. Omangoscha doesn't have the condition of upasarga. It could be anything. Upasarga or a word, shabda like Shiva, Adya, etc. Understand? Example, you say Shiva, Sada, Adya, and I gave the example of upasarga. Ava plus eki, aveki. Follow?
Yes.
So that is the thing there. Okay. This will come sometimes, not very frequently, but when it comes, you have to spot it. Already we discussed this many times. Not one time, we have discussed this. But this doesn't stay means it's okay. No problem. Always you can refer to the notes. Then Prakriti Bhavaha. You know, Prakriti Bhavaha is Swabhavena Avasthiti. It's called Prakriti Bhavaha. Nimitte Satyapi Sandhikarya Abhavaha. Even though the Nimitta to make Sandhi is there, but Prakritiya Avasthiti Bhavati. Yata Hari plus Etau. Yadyapi Yen Sandhehe Avakasha Asti Tatapi Na Bhavati. That is Prakriti Bhavaha. So Prakriti Bhavaha means we should know what Prakrityam. Idu de Dvivachanam Prakrityam. That is not only Pragriyam, so many other things are there. Anyway, so here he says 34. Rityakaha. Rityakaha, remember? Sutra Rityakaha, what does it say? Riti. Riti akaha. Rikaradi. Rityakaha. Sutra says Riti is Saptami Vibhakti. Right? Rityaka is 6-1, 128. So the sutra says, when Rikaradi, when Akaha, Akvarna is followed by Akaha, Akvarnaha, Rikare Pare, then what will happen? Akvarna followed by Rikara.
I think this sutra knows it first time now.
Sorry?
This sutra first time now we are seeing.
No, yes, it.
What's it? Rityakaha? Oh,
Why not? Rityakaha, this must have seen.
first time I listen.
Oh, okay. Etedat utsu umangoscha Rityakaha. Oh, Rityakaha we are not seeing. Okay. Then I will explain what is that. The Sandhi chart, I think it is there. One minute, I'll open that. But anyway, but let us see first here. Then, if time is there today, otherwise next class I'll explain. So Rityakaha says, you see, 34. Padante vidyamananam a a I I u r iti etesha. What are all these a I u r? Accurate.
Akpratyahara.
Akpratyahara. Rikare pare means when Rikara follows.
Yes.
Akvarna followed by Rikara, right?
Yes.
Then what happens? Prakriti Bhavaha Vikalpena Bhavati. Prakriti Bhava will be optional. Prakriti Bhava Pakshe Sati. If Prakriti Bhava is optional, if we do Prakriti Bhava, then Dirgha will become Rasva. In Samasa also we have Prakriti Bhavaha. That is what it says. Now, I'll explain this with a stock example. See. What is the says? Akvarna followed by what letter? Rikara, right?
Yes.
Now let us, I'm taking the example. You take the example Sapta. Sapta plus Rishi. What will happen? Tell me.
Saptarshi.
Sapta plus Rishi.
Guna.
So, by Rityakaha, what will happen?
Prakriti Bhava meaning?
Prakriti Bhavaha.
Saptarishi.
Because says Akvarna followed by Rikara, Prakriti Bhava. Vikalpena Bhavati. If you don't do Prakriti Bhava, then Guna will happen. Then Guna is Saptarshihi.
Yes.
So we have two forms. Saptarishihi or Saptarishihi, right?
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, Brahma plus Rishihi, what will happen?
Brahma.
Brahma Rishihi, Brahma Rishi, right? This is Prakriti Bhavaha and this is Brahma Rishi. Rityakaha says according to that's Anuvritti of the Shakalya, when Rishi is there. That is also coming as Anuvritti. You can see.
Yes.
Sutrapata. Sutrapata, you will have the Anuvritti of Shakalyasya. Shakalyasya means not Dopas or Shakalyasya. This is 6-1. Okay, don't go there. Huh? Here it is there. Where is that? 6-1, 120. Here you can see 128. Shakalyasya rasvaha. Coming as anuvritti rasvascha. We'll see that. So Shakalyasya coming as anuvritti. Therefore, when ak is followed by Rikara, according to Shakalya, what happens? And what is the ak also? Ak should be at the end of the padam, no? Okay. That's important. Padam. Padam also it is understood. Okay. Ak at the end of the padam. Right? Followed by Rikara. Then according to Shakalya, what will happen? Prakritya bhavati. Prakriti bhavaha bhavati. Because Shakalya, therefore Vikalpena. If Prakriti bhava is not there, Gunasandhi will happen. And another word also coming as anuvritti. What is the word? Rasvascha. Right? What is Rasvascha doing there here? Here not the example not doing, but you see this another example. Brahma plus Rishiki is there. Suppose if I say Brahma plus Rishi, then here what will happen?
Rasva.
Brahma plus Rishi. So Brahma iti dirgha, right? By Rasvascha, what will happen? Brahma will become Brahma. Shakalyasya Rasvaha bhavati, Prakriti bhavaha bhavati. Vikalpena Gunaha api bhavati. So Brahma Rishi, two forms. Right? Understand?
But in the second form, the rasva will happen also.
No. Here A plus Rho is anyway Guna only, right? Guna Sandhi. A plus Rho is Guna letter. Aru only will come.
Okay.
But so
A plus
so
Rho is what? A plus Rho is Aru only Guna Sandhi. At Gunaha. Brahmashri.
So
Here what
so he's
happens?
saying,
Rasva happens. After that, Prakriti Bhavaha Sandhi will not happen. This is according to Shakalya. Yeah. What is the question?
so for the Dirga vowel, Hraswa Adesha.
For Dirga. Rasva is only for Dirga. Yes.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Very interesting.
If Dirga is there, then it becomes Rasva and Prakriti Bhavaha. If Rasva already it is there, then Prakriti Bhavaha, as it is. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what Rutyakaha. The sutra we have not seen. Maybe we will see that. But I don't know why we have not seen. Maybe that time maybe it was not required. It was out of context. That's right. Now we can add this sutra. Rutyakaha. So therefore, sutras if you see this on the here, it's very clear. Padante vidyamana. That's why I said padante. Ak letter at the end of the pada followed by rikara. Then prakriti bhavaha is vikalpena. Prakriti bhava pakshe dirghasware rasvaha bhavati. Right? Samase api prakriti bhavaha bhavati. Samasa also. In samasa also it will be prakriti bhavaha. Now I just added the two words. Satta is one word, Rishi is another word. Just not samasa. Now samase api. Samase api prakriti bhavaha. Not only just a sandhi context, even in the context of samasa also. Samasa also prakriti bhavaha bhavati. Samase api is we can take the 1 minute. I'll show you in my sandhi chart. Probably this covers everything. Must be having this. I'll show you that and then we'll stop it. Okay. Prakriti bhavaha. This document is very useful. You can just go through that. Yeah, here it is. Prakriti Bhavaha number 1. When Padantak is followed by Rikara, Prakriti Bhava will be optional. Right? Example. In case of no Prakriti Bhava, Guna Sandhi will happen. Raja plus Rishiki Rajarshihi. Varsha plus Rutu Varshartuhu. Right? In case of Prakriti Bhava, Dirga will become Rasva. Raja plus Rishihi. Raja Rishihi. Suppose Dirga is not there, then what will happen? Just add it, just simple. That's it. In case of Samasa, what will happen? Up to here we have seen. In case of Samasa also, Prakriti Bhavaha will prevail. Then what will happen? Varsha plus Rutu. Here it is compound. Compound here. Varsha will become Varsha. Then Prakriti Bhava will prevail. Varsha Rutu. This is a compound. Okay. Varsha Rutu. Varsha plus Rutu. Varsha Rutu. Varsha plus Rutuhu. Varsha Rutuhu. And here also Varsha plus become Varsha. Varsha Rutuhu possible. Compounding also when you do. Varsha plus Rutu. Varshascha aso Rutuscha. Suppose if we do Sarvadare compound. There also Prakriti Bhavaha will prevail. Prakriti Bhavaha samase api bhavati eva. That's what he says. Samase Prakriti Bhavaha pravartate eva. In a compound, it will be Prakriti Bhavaha. Example, I think he has given here itself. Yes. Raja plus Rishihi. Binne pade, if they are independent padam, then by this sutra, Prakriti Bhavaha will prevail. Raja will become Raja, Rasvadeshaha, then Raja Rishi. That is number 1. Or if we do Gunasandhi, Raja Rishi, number 2. Right? Now, if we do a compound, Raja plus Rishi, here Visarga not required. This Visarga you can remove now. Raja plus Rishi, 2 padam, we are joining. Here Prakriti Bhava is, what happens? Prakriti Bhava is Raja plus Rishi will prevail. In the compound, Prakriti Bhavaha will prevail. And A plus R, Vikalpena Gunaha api bhavati. That is, it says next one. Samase Prakriti Bhavaha pravartate. And it says, Padasya ante vidyamanaha ik asavarnyachi pare. Okay. Samase api Prakriti Bhavahayam pravartate. When the Prakriti Bhavaha will be there in compound also. Samase api vikalpena pravartate. Okay. So Raja Rishiki Samastam Padam, Raja Rishiki. It is possible. Understand? So is what in the summary, in this chart I have given here. I will explain maybe further in the next class. Varsha plus Rutu, Varsha Rutu. Then this is Prakriti Bhavaha will provide. Okay, this is Padanta is something, some other sutta that we will see later. You see the Purusha, this compounding you have done Purusha plus Rishabha. It's a compound. Purusha Rishabha, Prakriti Bhavaha, or Purusha Rishabha. Similarly, Rajarshi, Rajarshayaha, or Rajarshayaha, possible. Rajarshayaha in the compound. Samase Prakriti Bhavaha pravartate vikalpena. Samase api. Okay. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So we'll stop here. Maybe this stotra we will add in the next class. Om Purnamata Purnamitam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Okay.